Hi there. I want to sincerely thank you for choosing my service from over 4 million other options you could have gone with. Your trust means the world to me, and I'm truly grateful. My name is Praise, the CEO and Creative Director of Zionike. Since 2008, I've been fortunate to work with incredible clients like you, delivering creative solutions that exceed expectations and help achieve business goals. Here's a little about me. I'm based in the beautiful city of Austin, Texas, where creativity thrives. It's a city full of inspiration, and I channel that energy into every project I take on. With over 2,500 projects completed and more than 1,000 five-star reviews, you can be rest assured you're in great hands. Why choose Zionike? Here's what makes working with us different. We deliver high-quality results. You'll get the absolute best. We offer unlimited revisions because your satisfaction matters. Our communication is excellent, quick, clear, and friendly responses. You will receive timely project updates. You'll always know where your project stands. We believe that customer is king. We're here to listen, support, and make sure your experience is nothing short of amazing, because your satisfaction always comes first. Are you ready to get started? Here's how our 5-step process works. Step 1. Tell us about your project. Share your project requirement with us. Step 2. Receive your amazing price offer. We will review your requirements and craft an offer you'll love. Step 3. Receive your checklist and sales summary. Once offer is accepted, we'll guide you to provide all we need to kick off the project. Step 4. We send your formal offer. We'll send you a formal offer to kick things off. Step 5. You accept our formal offer. Once offer is accepted, hooray! Your project kicks off. I'm excited to partner with you on this project to create something exceptional. Let's make your vision come to life. If you have any questions or are ready to get started, please let us know. Looking forward to working together.